We are at Grattan right now. This is the start of the vlog. If you remember, last year at Grattan, we counted exactly how many seats there were, and there were over 80, I believe, or maybe 70.
Like 60 something.
I think we stopped at 69 and then we added the toilets or something. It was around 60 or 70 seats. We have chairs. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Just in this one little room. You guys remember counting the chairs at last Airbnb?
Oh yeah.
How many there were?
70, it was 70.
It was in the 70s. That's what I'm saying.
Yep.
We're already at 16.
Here. Yeah, we're way better than last year.
Yes. Ladies and gents, we just made it. Woo! Sunset. Evan's got delivery on the 997, which is awesome. Looks like
Going for
GT3.
the best track time tomorrow. We're gonna see. We got Turbo S that's probably gonna be right there with me because he makes like 750 horsepower and I only make like 580. But I feel like I have the driver perk, so we'll see.
I think I agree. Let's go. All right.
We got slicks too in the trailer. We have a little, something secretive that we could use if we need to, but I don't know. They are probably gonna rub on the fender liners and probably pull them out because they're a little bit bigger than stock.
All right. We'll see. Hope
Actually,
for good weather tomorrow too, because we hit some rain. Looks like it didn't rain, or if it did, barely here. So. It's looking good, looking good. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is 7 a.m. in the morning.
My car is covered in shit.
Ooh. Yeah, it did get a little greasy last night, a little rain. ladies and gents, we did see this car on the track, so we had to come check it out. This is the coolest color, I think, for a 997. It's a GT3 RS with the ceramic yellow calipers. Roll cage is also orange. This is absolutely nuts. A couple little orange accents there also. What a cool car. Big old wing on this thing. Pumpkin plate. This is probably my favorite car here, I'd say. awesome. Jeez. All right, ladies and gents, we are timing some laps. We have one lap timer for Evan, who was running 136s earlier, and then Bobby in the Corvette was running 130s. So he is now right behind the GT3. We're gonna see if he can pass the GT3. He's still right behind him. Evan's there. There's a little traffic now. Shoot. Hopefully it clears up on the straight. Get him, Bob! Get him, Bob! He's on! Day number 2 at the track. Bobby's winching out the old girl. And we're about ready to hit track day numero dos.
Definitely not meant for this. I use this to hook onto the toe hook so it doesn't hit my bumper.
Oh yeah.
It's a little sketchy though, I'm not gonna lie. It works. Yeah, it works.
Look at this guy. Just absolutely cruising. He's gonna do a little flyover, I think. Absolutely bonkers. Here he comes. So wild. You zoom in, you can like see the fan and stuff.